Hello and welcome to another episode of Amateur Angler with Bobby Bell. And today we're going for a spot of pike fishing. Me, Georgia and Bailey are going to walk down to the canal and do a bit of lure fishing around there, and then we might venture on to the reservoir, chuck a few rigs out there, see what happens, eh? Weather's good for it, so hopefully we can get you a bite. Go on the pikey! Let's have a quick run through what I'm using today. It's a little Shimano reel, little telescopic rod, make life nice and easy for travelling with. Fluorocarbon line, would usually use braid but I'm not setting my reel up yet, just through. It's a little ring swivel, wire trace onto a little lure on an easy links swivel. So just makes life easy to change the lures over, which I'm going to do now. Sorted. Get some buckets. Nearly went a tree. This is actually the place where I've seen my first ever pike. My granddad used to bring me fishing here for roach and bream when I was about 9-10 years old, and just had a little roach on a little float, and just as I'm bringing it to the surface, boom! Big pike. Well, I say big, they're only young, they're about 6 or 7 pounds thinking about it now, but came right up to the surface, head full out of water, and that was it then. At that age, like, I'm absolutely loving that. So I'm on a quest for a pike, but it's been a poor quest, to be honest with you. I think I caught 5 pike in my life, and one of them were by mistake. So we're going to try a bit more this winter and see if we can get some.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Right, so we've ditched the her indoors, dropped her off at home, gone and picked up my pal Lady Lee, and we've come to Foulridge Res. Have a bit of a walk round here, probably halfway around late now, not much happening, but it's absolutely perfect conditions, overcast, a little bit mild compared to the last few days, so just got to keep chucking a lure, keep changing his options. Let's get a pikey, yeah boy! Well, starting to get that feeling that today it's just not going to be our day. Great conditions. It's just not looking like it's happening. Done miles on canal. Good walk around this reservoir, which taking us a good few hours. Having a good chuck, changing different lures. It's just not happening. It's not happening. We can't seem to find these pike. But it happens, doesn't it? That's fishing for you. We're going to try a bit longer. Hopefully nick one. But yeah, I'm starting to get fed up now. Losing the faith. Yes, Eddie.
Huh?
He's into one.
Yes.
I've got it on film and all. Alright, it's only a little Jackie. Oh, it's come off! Gutted. Gutted. Amateur angling, mate. Amateur angling. Should have had net ready. We're going to start calling this channel Bobby Goes Blanking.